Okay, so on this one, we have more than just two different digits of number multiplication. This time we have 2 times 9 times 5, 10 times 3 times 10, and even 2 times 2 times 5 times 3. So you multiply more than two different digits of number. Okay, so the steps here is just easy. It's in the instruction there. What you have to do is you just have to group the numbers that will result in the tens or the hundreds. Okay, so that will make it easier for you to multiply a lot of numbers like we have now. Like for example, on number 1 has been done for you. They group the 2 and 5 together, okay? So they can actually get 10 as the result. 2 times 5 is 10. And then times the last number, which is the 9. When you got 10 already, that will be like really easy. No matter what you times, you just add the number of zeros, right? In the tens is 1 0, in the hundreds it will be 2, in the thousand it will be 3, and so on. So on this 10 times 9, the answer is 90. Now let's do number 2 together, okay? So we have 10 times 3 times 10. Do you know what you will group together already? Yes, you will group the numbers that will result in the tens or in the hundreds, right? So obviously in this one, we will group 10 times 10 and then times 3. 10 times 10 is 100. Excellent. And times 3. And again, with this, you just add the zeros, the number of zeros. 3 and then the 2 zeros, which is 300. Become 300. 100 times 3 is 300, right? And then you write it down, the answer there. Let's try the next one. 5 times 13 times 2. Again, we will try to find the tens or the hundreds. On this case, we will find the easiest way. 5 times 2, right? Times 13. And then 5 times 2 is 10. Times 13. Again, it's the 13. And then you just add the number of 0 there. And it's become 130. So now let's try this one. 2 times 3 times 5 times 4 times 5. Woo, that's a long one. But again, no worries, okay? You just have to times the number that will result in the tens or in the hundreds. On this case, when we say tens, it doesn't always mean to be like just 10, the number 10, but like 20, 30, 40, those are the tens, right? So let's see what we get here. I group 4 times 5 and then 5 times 2. And then the last number there is the 3. Okay. So from here, let's see. So 4 times 5 equal, excellent, times, 5 times 2, yes. So we group that because again, we want to have the tens or the hundreds. Now from here, you will get the result. 20 times 10 is 200, and then you times again with the 3, right? Now 200 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and then you add the zeros there, and then you get 600. Now write down the answer all in this side, and then you will see the numbers on this side, and then you match the answer to the numbers there. Okay, so there you go.